With Dibac Professional, you can use 3 different modes to draw the walls and partitions. Go to Tools, Preferences, and Partitions to choose the design mode before creating the walls. The single mode will let you create each wall by drawing the first line and then indicating where the second line will be. Let's try it. I select the single line mode, click Apply and OK. Now I select the wall tool and I could choose a color, line style, thickness, and orthogonality for the walls. However, I'm gonna leave everything as it is. So now I click on this corner to start drawing the first line of the wall. I indicate the direction and type 2 to create a wall with a length of 2 meters. As you can see, only one line has been created. I have to click in one of its sides to decide if the second line of the wall will be inside or outside. In this case, I click on the left to make this line inside. Now I can draw the second section of the wall. In this case, I click to draw the first line, and now click outside to create the second line of the wall. As you can see, drawing with this method is actually quite simple. The second drawing mode is the most common, the double line. This method will draw both lines of the wall and let you decide if the wall or partition goes inside or outside by pressing F5 while drawing the wall. It's quite easy too. The last method is the access mode. This partition drawing method will let you create the walls from its center. With this mode, you can't indicate the inner or outer line of the wall. The drawing reference will be the center axis of the wall or partition.